Good evening, I'm Haley Wilgett.
And I'm Bob Mueller. Day one of testimony, and the attorney for a nurse's alleged killer admits he did it. Prosecutors today showed the gun used to kill Caitlyn Kaufman in what Metro Police say was a road rage shooting. 2 men are on trial this week for her murder. The attorney for one of them admits he fired the gun, but argues he should not be convicted. A second suspect, accused of driving the car, appeared to doze off in court today. We have a lot of evidence to cover. Here's News 2's Adam Mincer.
After hours of worrying, Caitlyn Kaufman's mom got a call from Metro Police.
There has been a shooting, and I said, well, please just tell me where Caitlyn is. We'll leave right now and we'll come down. And he said, Mrs. Kaufman, are you sitting down? And I said, please do not tell me that my daughter is dead.
Kaufman says she spoke to her daughter minutes before Caitlyn was shot. The 26-year-old nurse died while driving down I-440.
All of the rounds are fired at the driver compartment of her car. The one directly into her driver window.
But in this murder trial, the suspect's lawyer started off by admitting her client, Devontae Hill, killed Kaufman.
He is the person who pulled the trigger and ended her life.
Can you display it to the jury, officer?
And the first day of testimony ended with the murder weapon being presented to the jury.
Her death is a horrific tragedy.
Instead of asking who shot Caitlyn, one of the alleged shooter's attorneys says this is about her client's state of mind. Was this a premeditated murder?
Did he have the ability to exercise reflection and judgment before he pulled that trigger?
And while the other suspect appeared to fall asleep in court, his attorney says there's no proof his client was involved.
You will hear no proof that he intended for anybody to get killed. You will hear no proof that he had a weapon, that he fired a weapon, or gave a weapon to anyone.
Today, the lead detective in the case presented videos of interviews with Hill and the tipster who pointed police to Hill. The detective says neither was 100% forthright, something the assistant district attorney noted while emphasizing everyone involved meant to kill Kaufman.
There's a driver and a shooter, and they both did this.
But ultimately, the jury will decide if Devontae Hill and James Cowan are guilty of first-degree murder. In Nashville, Adam Mincer, News 2.